Hello viewers, another air raid siren of Los Angeles. This is Siren 218. It's a birdhouse. It's on Roscoe Road in Bel Air, California. So 218, it's a birdhouse. And let me show you a map. This is it right here. This is where I've been. Anyway, this one is really peeling apart at the top. There's no electrical. Looks like the wires are cut right at the insulators. And this wire here, that has the electrical, no electrical. So somebody on one of my previous videos, somebody told me that this wire that's hanging down, this is a telephone drop wire that's connected to a voice graded lease line, which they use to activate it. So I appreciate the help, somebody explaining that to me. So that's what these wires are that are hanging down here. Anyway, there you go, another air raid siren of Los Angeles. Birdhouse. Siren 218 in Bel Air, California. All right, thanks for watching.